Dark circles. Sometimes they can look sexy, other times they can look scary. Regardless, everyone has them. Well, maybe not babies. They say 9 out of 10 people have dark circles. Honestly, I think 10 out of 10 people have dark circles. And there is some of the reasons why. Number 1. Well, we all know lack of sleep is one of the main reasons why. So, sleep more if you can. Number 2. Allergies. Asthma, eczema causes the eyes to itchy, which can contribute to darker circles due to rubbing or scratching the skin around the eyes. Number 3. Bad diet. Lack of nutrients can contribute to the discoloration of the area under the eyes. Lack of mineral iron can cause dark circles too, because you are not getting enough oxygen to the body tissues. Number 4. Sun damage causes excess skin pigmentation due to sunburns, so always wear sunscreen. Number 5. Age. Let's face it, the older you get, your skin loses collagens, becomes thinner and more transparent, thus showing the veins under your eyes more permanent. And last but not least, one of the main reasons why we all have dark circles is because the skin around the eyelids is the thinnest skin in the body. When blood passes through the veins close to the surface of the skin, it produces a bluish tint. So the more translucent your skin is, darker the circles appears. Okay, we get it. There are a million ways a person can get dark circles. So how do we get rid of them? Ding ding ding, that's why I'm here. I'll give you a boring list on how to reduce your dark circles. Number 1. Sleep. Number 2. Treat your allergies. Number 3. Eat well, eat healthy. And number 4. Drink lots of water. Okay, let's be real. Who has time for that? I know I don't. I try, believe me, but in the real world, it can be a little too hectic. And we sometimes don't find the time to exercise, sleep, eat healthy, etc. However, you really should. At the end of the day, our health is all we really have, and we should not take it for granted. Regardless, this is a beauty tutorial and I'm going to show you how to make your own brightening gel for dark circles. All you need are 5 essential ingredients: Aloe Vera Gel, Petroleum jelly, vitamin K, almond oil and coconut oil. Oh, and an empty container. Take your aloe vera leaf. You can buy aloe vera gel from market, which brand you love. I love the real aloe vera gel, that's why I'm using. I'm taking out the aloe vera gel with using a spoon. I want to only a liquid gel, so using a fork just to beat it for 3 to 4 minutes until all the solid gel is dissolves and become a liquid gel. Okay. Take your vitamin K capsule and squeeze out 3 little drops. That's it. You can use vitamin E capsule instead of vitamin K. Take 3 drops almond oil, little bit coconut oil and little bit of petroleum jelly. And now mix it up very well. Last step, take your aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon, and when you mix it up, it should have creamy nude color like this. And now you are done, that's it. The consistency should not be too oily or too sticky. You should go on smooth. Now store it into refrigerator and every night before you sleep, apply that under your eyes. You want to make sure to use your ring finger because it's the most delicate finger, and gently pat it on like so and blend out. Coconut oil promotes smooth skin and prevents wrinkles and fine lines under eyes. Vitamin K helps strengthen the capillary walls and reduce the visibility of blood vessels through the skin under your eyes. Almond oil lightens the skin and reduces dullness. Petroleum jelly helps to restore moisture back to your under eye area and remove the dryness. Aloe vera gel is extremely hydrating and helps to heal the skin, Basically, it's hella good for you. In the meantime, to conceal dark circles, find a good concealer that has a warm undertone. If you have a cool undertone, use salmon based concealer. If you have a warm undertone, find a yellow based concealer. It's best to find a concealer that has a creamy texture but not too creamy, or else it might settle into your fine lines. Find one that has a natural finish but not too powdery, dry, or not too shiny. Takes time to find the best concealer, but once you find it, it will be your best kept secret weapon. So that's all the things that I'm gonna share with you guys today. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to give this video a like if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys very soon. Alright guys, have fun and good luck.